What are you guys doing over there? Hey, Daniel. Sarah, what's Daniel doing? Is he playing with the truck? Sarah, can you put the truck over here? So Daniel will turn around? Hey, can you put it over here? Hey, Sarah, can you put it over here? Please. What you doing, Sarah? Hmm? There's the big dead tree sitting in the neighbor's yard. Been there a couple years. Not that neighbor, it's this neighbor's. And this neighbor refuses to cut it down for that neighbor. D? Daniel? What's wrong, boy? Are you stuck? Sarah, can you give Daniel a push? Can you push him out of the sun? Push him into the shade. Push him into the shade. This way, into the shade. Over here. He's in the sun right now. Can you push him out of the sun? Push him over here, honey. There you go. No, 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 no. Just keep pushing back in the shade. The shade's over here, where the sun doesn't hit. You want cheese? You get in there with Daniel? Can you squat down? Like Daddy? Do what Daddy's doing. Squat down. How about get behind Daniel? Hey, Sarah, get behind Daniel's chair right here. Hey, Sarah. Come here. Come here. Come right behind Daniel's chair. Where are you going? What you got there, Sarah? A broom? You have a broom? You be doing some sweeping? Watch the handle, watch the handle, watch the handle. You're gonna hit his head. There you go. Good baby girl. Hi, Dee. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, goofy boy? Hey.